How to add website shortcuts to home screen on Safari. Start by opening Safari, then go to the website you want to save. Maybe it's YouTube, your favorite news site, or even your online grocery store. Once you're on the site, look at the bottom center of the screen. Tap the share icon. That's the little square with an upward arrow. From the list of options that pops up, scroll down and tap Add to Home Screen. This is the magic button that creates a shortcut like an app icon. Safari will suggest a name for the shortcut. You can keep it or rename it to whatever you like. Then, tap Add in the top right corner. Exit Safari and you'll see brand new icon on your home screen. Tap it and it'll open the website instantly in Safari. No typing, no searching. That's it! Now you've turned your favorite website into a one-tap shortcut.